Today, let's learn words. Eat, eat. The baby eats food. The baby eats food. Drink, drink. The boy drinks water. The boy drinks water. Sleep, sleep. He sleeps in the bed. He sleeps in the bed. Read, read. The student reads a book. The student reads a book. Run, run. The athlete runs fast. The athlete runs fast. Open, open. Brother opens the door. Brother opens the door. Close, close. Brother closes the door. Brother closes the door. Kick, kick. The player kicks the ball. The player kicks the ball. Wash, wash. She washes her hands. She washes her hands. Clap, clap. Children claps happily. Children clap happily. Dance, dance. The girl dances well. The girl dances well. Build, build. Men build a house. Men build a house. Cry, cry. The child cries loudly. The child cries loudly. Crawl, crawl. The baby crawls on the floor. The baby crawls on the floor. Dig, dig. The dog digs in the ground. The dog digs in the ground. Bark, bark. The dog barks loudly. The dog barks loudly. Yawn, yawn. The woman yawns. The woman yawns. Chase, chase. The cat chases the rat. The cat chases the rat. Carry, carry. He carries a heavy box. He carries a heavy box. Sit, sit. She sits on the rock. She sits on the rock. Walk, walk. They walk across the bridge. They walk across the bridge. Wait, wait. They wait in the water. They wait in the water. Splash, splash. He splashes water. He splashes water. Push, push. He pushes the car. He pushes the car. Slide, slide. Children slide on the playground slide. Children slide on the playground slide. Sprinkle, sprinkle. She sprinkles water on the flower plants. She sprinkles water on the flower plant. Pull, pull. They pull the rope. They pull the rope. Sneeze, sneeze. She sneezes loudly. She sneezes loudly. Pour, pour. Mother pours water into the glass. Mother pours water into the glass. Wave, wave. They wave their hands. They wave their hands. Now you know verbs are action words. Verbs tell us that someone does. Verb tell us what someone does. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.